went biology, and there are other majors you can get to help boost your chances of getting into med school. But the biggest thing about med school is high GPA and the prerequisites and a good MCAT score. Engineering degree is not necessarily one of those. Yes, if you have a great GPA in engineering, you might stand out. But again, it's really hard to maintain a really high GPA in engineering, so you may not want to do that. And that being said, I think you're just trying to do too much here, doing the pre-med and dual degree in bioengineering and mechanical engineering. You don't really need the dual degrees to work in engineering, for sure. You can just get one of them. I get the mechanical one. And then maybe that combined with all your pre-med courses would set you up pretty well for a bioengineering role. I don't think you need to necessarily limit yourself by going very niche into bioengineering for your major. You can just get that mechanical engineering degree. And then the whole wanting to go to med school thing, that's a whole other bridge to cross. But I'm not the most qualified to speak on that topic, but all I will say is that I think you should really kind of think a little bit harder about what you really want to do. And if you're committed to going to med school, I would consider maybe doing a biology degree instead. That generally translates a little bit better to med school. I understand the hesitance and not being able to fall back, but going to med school is a long road that requires becoming a doctor is a long road that requires commitment from the very beginning. So having one foot in, one foot out from the very, very start maybe isn't the right. Maybe there's some psychology behind that. I would look into the psychology of that and talk to other people that are doctors and get some advice from them, especially if you want to become a doctor. So, all right. Next question is titled